say something about the topic science and technology for specially abled people. This is the age of science and differently abled people are no different from normal people in using technology. Technology has removed the barrier before them and provided a barrier-free environment irrespective of their physical ability or disability. Technology can help the specially abled people in various ways. As we know, eyes are the major sense organ any can think about, and we can understand the tormenting situation of such persons who are not able to see. Technology have given many solutions to them by developing voice control navigation system that can change text into speeches. Also, Braille e-book reader or assisted vision smart glasses are helpful to them at great extent. They can self-assist themselves by using walking sticks which can sense bumps or cracks or uneven places before them and help them at a great extent. Big mobile is a characteristics of each living organism, but the person who are not able to move can also mobilize themselves by using technology available. Various wheelchairs are available which is included with various apparatus so that they can control them just by voice recognition. So it plays a key role in creating social status of those people among normal people. VEST or versatile extra sensory transducer is a device which helps a hearing impaired person. It captures the sound through its mobile devices and transfer it to the vibrating motor which then sends signal to the brain and brain finally analyze and interpret the information. So this is indeed a boon for all hearing impaired persons. To present our views or ideas before the world is the eagerness of everyone. But the person who are not able to speak can also express their views easily by using various gadgets, tabs, touch screens, audio codings. Various software programs have been developed which can change a personal computer into speaking computer and which act as an aid for all the disabled person. So, mobile phone has become common for all and it is indeed important for all. But CSIM phone is a touch-free smartphone which can be operated by head movement through its front camera and also by voice recognition. So, various technology is helpful for them. So, I can say disability is a phase in everyone's life which can be a parent with a brain, a person with an injured leg, or disability by birth. Treating all the problems and giving solution to them in the form of technological innovation tend to provide a platform for all those to feel normal. Helen Keller and Stephen Hawking are such a great inspiration who proved before the world that if you have a strong willpower